Howdy. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Today I'm going to show you how to make peanut brittle. I looked up for some fun facts on peanut brittle. I'll be honest with you, I didn't find anything that I thought was very funny. But I'll tell you, here's a fun fact. If you don't have teeth, I wouldn't recommend eating peanut brittle. Oh well, that said, let's get started.
My God, what did you eat? Start with 2 cups of peanuts, 2 cups of sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of water, 1/4 pound of butter, teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup of corn syrup, and a dash of salt. Add the sugar, corn syrup, and the water to the mixing pot. Begin to stir this over medium heat until the sugar is completely dissolved. At this point, add the 1/4 pound of butter. I took the liberty to slice it into smaller pieces for easier melting. Stir the butter over the medium heat until it is completely dissolved. And now that the mixture is rolling to a boil, it's time to add a candy thermometer. Continue stirring this mixture until the temperature reaches 280 degrees on the candy thermometer. Once the temperature has reached 280 degrees, it's time to add the dash of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let me give the mixture a little stir to get the ingredients mixed in. And now we add the peanuts to the peanut brittle mixture. After we've added the peanuts, we continue stirring the mixture until the temperature reaches 300 degrees. Now the temperature has reached 300 degrees. We're going to turn the stove off, remove the thermometer, and add the baking soda. After we've added the baking soda, we're going to continue stirring the mixture. Notice that the mixture starts to foam up. This is normal. Now it's time to pour the peanut brittle out onto a cookie sheet that is pre-lined with buttered parchment paper. Place the peanut brittle into the refrigerator for about an hour to cool. Once the brittle is cooled off, go ahead and break it all up into pieces. There you go. Nice dish of peanut brittle.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.